Guys, I kid you not, it was a death ride. How are
I'll kill
you?
her. I'll kill you. It would have been really fun if it was slow, but it was really fast.
Yeah, this is the fun of life. Getting on rides, riding along.
So, where have we come today?
So we were randomly going around Yalanka and we stumbled upon this Mela, which is like a commercial fair, I guess. But let's check it out. I guess it will be fun.
So, entry fees is 100 rupees. Let's go inside and check it out. We just witnessed the Niagara Falls.
So now we are entering into something which looks like a park exhibition or something, but looks really cool though. But now begins the shopping spree, so let's go. ये देखिए महाशय को पता नहीं क्या सब सामान में इंटरेस्ट आता है, but yeah, he's getting these weird things. There are some crazy jutis over here, so let's see if I can find something.
Finally, have you decided what to take?
Look at how pretty they are. What is it that you're checking out, dude?
लट्टू.
आज घुमा लोगे?
घूम तो जाएगा.
हाथ से क्यों घुमाना है? हाँ।
कितने का है ये भैया?
यहाँ पे नारुतो का पूरा सीरीज मिल रहा है गाइस इन 2000 bucks, which is amazing. एक ही से हो जाएगा भैया. आलू का पापड़ हो गया क्या भैया? आलू. हाँ.
We decided which ones.
Onion.
Okay.
Punjabi.
Okay.
Masala. And tomato.
Chale.
I feel like such a kid when I see all these. There are bags. Look at the top one. I mean, that is so cute. Like when we were small, we used to see these in our houses.
Stopping now.
चटपटा खाने के लिए यार.
So, what is this?
This is an assorted collection of different types of halwa that we find in South India. So there is anjeer and there is different. I think there is dry fruit and there is the green wala kaun sa hai bhaiya? Kiwi halwa as well. So I'm pretty excited about that. And yeah, we'll let you know how it is. I must say, so far, I mean, it's going good. We have
No.
shopped a lot. And it's a little concerning because none of this is planned. So, okay. Let's see how much we'll get more.
Come on.
Different types of key rings. You can see these in a lot of shops here. That's really great. Different stationery stuff. I don't know what he's fiddling with. I don't know why he's looking at guns. Should I be concerned? Hey mister, should I be concerned?
Not yet.
Hey, do you want to have some lemonade? Cool. So after shopping and doing a lot of hard work, I mean literally, spending so much money is no cakewalk. We are here to get some lemonade. बड़े ही प्यार से यहाँ पे भैया हमारे लिए बना रहे हैं स्वीट एंड सॉल्ट. Cheers guys.
somebody who doesn't eat is having a lot to do.
Are you filming me doing that? Really good. So as you guys can see, there's a lot to do. Like there's archery and there's some target games over here, and you can get these pretty teddies as well. It's a win-win. The most important part of this, Sambuddha Devnath ka phat raha hai. But we are gonna try and get him on this giant wheel. Well, there's no one on it, so it's a little concerning. But let's see. It should be illegal. He's already asking them to go slow, but ऐसा नहीं होने दूँगी मैं. Whoa, it's starting, dude.
Yeah, it's starting. Tata. See you.
See you later.
See you on the other side.
Guys, I kid you not, it was a death ride. How
I'll
are
kill
you?
her. I'll kill you.
That's why he was looking for the guns. So guys, he's bailing out for the next one, but I'm gonna go on.
She literally sat at the edge of it.
So status update. Are you ready for the giant wheel? Don't worry, I'm there to rescue you.
Yeah.
Hopefully we won't need rescue. This is supposed to be so romantic.
Yeah, it is.
है ना? चलो तुमको मैं फ्रेम से हटा देती हूँ. Let me show the wonderful city.
But is it usually this fast?
Yeah, it's gonna get faster though.
What?
So guys, I'm chickened out from taking my video, but it's okay. But yeah, this is the fun of life. How good or bad was it?
It would have been really fun if it was slow. But it was really fast.
That's giant wheel for you, man. Where did you go on a slow giant wheel?
I'm not comfortable with anybody driving me around.
See guys, I mean we have a scary house here, but I guess Mahashay ko scary house का experience पहले ही हो गया है ride पे. So let's keep it. Bought a ceramic का दुकान from here, and I'm very interested in it.
Like you're in one of your habitats.
I mean, the amount of shopping we have done, it's a little embarrassing. आ गए हैं हम लोग मोमो खाने. So doesn't this remind you of Durga Puja? Yeah, no.
मेरा कोई माला बस यही फिर से हमको जाएंगे तो चलाएगी तो
ওটাই করার জন্য আমি নিয়ে যাই. I am just a torturer.
So that's our Momo. Momo Bhaiya is giving us home.
Momo Bhaiya. Ridiculous name that.
Hey, that's what people call people.
No,
with Momo.
nobody calls anybody Momo Bhaiya.
Steaming.
Just a mandate for us. So after the momo, I wanted to kind of have chaat, but unfortunately, aloo tikki had nahi tha. So now we are here for some quick fun.
cute. Hello.
Finally, we are out of the Mela. How was the experience?
I mean, from the amount of stuff that we have bought, you can easily understand how productive our visit was. So.
Yeah, बहुत खर्चा हुआ.
So we'll be posting the haul video in the next one, I guess.
Yes.
So stay tuned for that. And if you guys like this video, like, share and subscribe on our channel, and let us know if you like this format of the content or if you want something else from us. So
Sure.
yeah, thank you guys for watching.
And we'll see you again in the next one.